Welcome back to my video. So, hello, my students, to every one of you. Okay, so we are just continuing the quadratic equation chapters, word problems, basically. Okay, that's why. So, in the previous video, we did up to number 8. That was too long video. Okay, so that number 8, the very long video, I suggest some of the elite students just only choose the specific. You just fast forward and just pick the see the questions which you find more difficulty and try to you know assemble that. Now let's move on to number 9A. So this will be a short video, this one, because only A and B there. Okay, and this one is very easy kind of questions. Now let's go into the questions. Let's go. Okay, 9A question. I'll just read out the questions for you. The present ages of two brothers are 15 years and 22 years. Okay, two brothers. So the elder one is I think 22 years and the younger one is 15 years. After how many years will the product of the number of their ages will be 408? So that is mentioned by the questions. That is what is been asked in the question. So let's go into that. This is number A. Okay, 9A. 9A questions. The present age of two brothers are 50 years and 22 years respectively. After how many years will the product of the number of their ages be 408? So for what you have to consider in this case is, let that years be x. Let after x years, let after x years, the product of their ages be how many? 408. So what will be the age of that two brothers after x years? So suppose if my age is right now uh, 30, after 5 years my age will be 30 plus 5. Okay, 35. So when so we don't know the exact years after which after what years those ages, the product of those brother ages will be 408. So we have suppose we don't know the answer. That's why we have supposed that answer as x years. Late after x years, the product of their ages be 408. Then their ages, their ages after after x years. So what will be the ages after x years? Suppose the younger brother, is 15. Younger brother, and elder brother. Okay, so from these years 22 must be the elder brother. Okay, and 15 must be the younger brother. So what will be their ages after x years? The younger brother after x years, the younger brother will be 15 plus x. So you have to just add the whatever years you have supposed there. Okay, and similarly, just like in younger brother we have added x, similarly in elder brother also you have to add x. So this will be the two ages for both brothers after x years. Now by question, the the uh, the the ages, the product of their ages after x years should be what? 408. So 15 plus x, this is the ages of younger brother after x years, and 22 plus x, this is the age of elder brother after x years. So this product must be equals to 408, what is mentioned in the questions. So we have to find the value of x. Now we simplify this. Now 15 times 22 is just 15 times 22 plus x, and also x times 22 plus x is equals to 408. Now you multiply that. You can, I will be needing a calculator. Okay, if you know how to do that, you can simplify earlier than me. Try to finish it. Okay, that's better. 15 into 22, this is 330. 330 plus 15x plus 22x plus x squared is equals to 408. Okay, now 330 plus 15 plus 22. 15 plus 22. Now this is 37x plus x squared is equals to 408. Move this 408 to the left hand side, all. Okay, plus 330 minus 408. The 330 minus 408. 78 minus 78, or x squared plus 37x minus 78. 78 is equal to 0. Now you factorize this. So 2 times 39. 39 minus 2 will be 37, and 39 multiplied 2, that will be 78. Okay, now just open the bracket. Minus 2x minus 78 equals to 0, or x plus 39 minus 2 times, you take minus 2 common, x plus 39 equals to 0, or x plus 39 x minus 2 equals to 0. Now you do either x plus 39 equals to 0 or x equals to minus 39. So you reject this. Okay, it is in minus sign. Whatever comes in the minus sign when it comes to years, height, length, distance. Okay, so you have to reject the minus sign. Okay, you reject this minus sign, and when you take or, x minus 2 is equals to 0, or x equals to 2. Now therefore we got the answers. That is, after 2 years the product of their ages of the brothers will be 408. Therefore after 2 years. Okay, this is the answer. After 2 years, the product of the number of their ages will be 408. Now, if you have finished this, better to understand, okay? If you have finished this, then let's move on to the number 9b. Okay, I'll just read out the questions for you. In 9b, the present ages of the mother and her daughter are 30 years and 14 years. The mother is 30 years and daughter, that is 14 years respectively. Find how many years ago. Now in the previous questions, after how many years that is mentioned, after how many years that is asked, but in these questions, how many years ago? How many years ago means you have to move back. Yes, you have to move back in the ages, so you have to subtract whatever you consider the age that you have. Now you have to subtract in this case, okay, because we are moving back in the ages. So how many years ago, how many years before. In that case, you just subtract. Okay. Now let's move on to number B. The present ages of mother and her daughter are 30 years and 14 years respectively. Find how many years ago. Now in this case, you have to just subtract. Okay. So I'm just going to modify this question, not question, answer. It's the same, but only the certain conditions are different. Now you just see, let after let X years ago the product of their ages be, the product of their ages be, ages or ages was 192. So the present age of a mother and her daughter are 30 years and 14 years respectively. How many years ago the product of the number of their ages was 192. So I have modified the initial statements. Now their ages X years ago. Now their ages X years ago. What will be their ages? Now instead of here mother and daughter, I'm going to replace here by mother and the actual age of mother is 30 years, 30, and daughter is present age, daughter is 14. Now their ages X years ago means you have to subtract minus X, here also minus X. Now by equation, the product of their ages after X years. Now we apply the same conditions and then simplify. You'll get the value of X. If the value of X comes in the minus sign or in the fraction sign, you just not the fractions, especially the in the minus sign, because years can never be expressed in minus sign. That's why if the value of X comes in the minus sign, you just reject that value. Okay, let's move. If you know, then you can do earlier than me and try to finish this faster than me, and try to check the answers. Now by questions, their product of their ages 30 minus X times 14 minus X must be equals to 192. Okay, now 30 times 14 minus X and minus X, 14 minus X, okay, 192. Now you multiply 3 plus 12, 3 plus 12, 3 plus 12, 3 plus 3, 40. 420 minus 30x minus 14x plus x square is equals to 192. Now you x square arrange this in a correct order. Now 14 minus 30, that will be 44, minus 44, minus 44x minus plus 420, 420 minus 192 is equals to 0, or x square minus 44x 420 minus 192, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. This 0 will be 8 and 2 will be 1, 11 minus 9, 2, and 3, 3 minus 1, 2, 228 is equals to 0. Now you just factorize this. X square minus 44x plus 228 is equals to 0. Now you factorize. I'll be needing a calculator. Use calculator who can do faster than me. Okay, do. 38 and 6. X square minus 38 plus 6x plus 228 is equals to 0, or x square minus 38x minus 6x plus 228 equals to 0, or x minus 38, just take here minus 6, x minus 38 equals to 0, or x minus 38 another x minus 6 equals to 0. Either x minus 38 equals to 0 or x equals to 38. Now here you just reject this. Yes, the reason why you should reject that is it is too much. Okay, 38 after 38 years. Oh my god, after 38 years, after 6 years, after 38 years, there if you be logical, because after 38 years ago, this daughter will be no more inside the womb of the mother. Okay, so be logical. The reason why I reject this 38 years is, so this mother will be unborn, because the age of the present age of the mother is just 30, and after 38 years 38 years ago, the mother will be in some mother's womb. Okay, and the daughter hasn't been even born. Since the mother not born, then how can be other? So be logical in that sense. Okay, so do you know the reason why I rejected this 38, number 38? Okay, now, or x minus 38 equals to 0, that we get x equals to 38, we just reject that, and x minus 6 equals to 0, or x equals to 6. This is the answer. After 6 years, no, not after 6 years, 6 years ago, the mother, the product of their ages will, the product of ages was 192. So this is the answer. I hope you understand this. I'm not only hope, I know you can do better. Okay. Okay, this much for today. So then if you find my video convenient, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit like button to my YouTube channel. So, and please fast forward this kind of video to the other friends also, if they find this video more convenient. Okay, in understanding. Okay, this was for today. So until then, we'll meet on the next video. Until then, cheers, goodbye, and whatever. I don't know how to end this video. I'm just frustrated.